Okay. Now, hello friends, I am here to teach the CVC words, 3-letter CVC words. So that will be easy to teach your toddlers about CVC words. Okay. Now, what is CVC words? That is consonant, vowel and consonant. I hope you know. Parents is very clear about what is vowel and what is consonant. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. When we study about their sound, then A is A, E is A, I is E, O is O, U is A. Okay. So now first of all we will start the CVC words from making the 3-letter words from A and D. Okay. What is the sound of AD? Tell me. A-D. Okay. Now along with you all, this little girl is going to learn the CVC words. Okay. Now if I write B plus A D. Now tell me, what is the sound of this? Sound of B? B. And this and the sound of this too? What will be this word? Bad. Bad. The sound is B, A, D. That is bad. Okay. Very easy. Only we know the phonic sounds and we can teach the students CVC words very easily. Now, when we take L, what is the sound of this? L. And this? Ad. Then what will be the combined sound? Tell me. Ladder. She is saying, but you can't hear, but she is saying the word ladder. She know the phonic sound and she is in LKG class only. So every student who is in LKG class can learn this sound, this words very easily if they know the phonic sound. So I request the parents that please teach their students phonic sounds. Now if I write D plus AD, what is the sound of this? D. And this too? Add. What will be the sound of this word? Tell me. Sound? This first word sound? Tell me. Yeah, you know it. Dad. Now, if I write NAD, now what is the sound of this? Tell me please. Yes, you tell me. What is the sound of this? What is the sound of this? A. D. What will be the sound of this whole word? Mad. Mad. What will be the sound of the word? Mad. See, you can hear this little girl is also saying the same words. Okay. Now, when we take the consonant P and vowel A and consonant D, now tell me the sound of this. What is the sound of this? P. I think so. You can hear the sound. Say how this little girl is saying the phonic sound. Add. Then what will be the word? Tell me. See, she can pronunciate the word. Okay, pad. Or now we will see two more words, that is, tell me what is the sound of this vowel sound.
H.
What is the sound of H? Add. Now what will be the sound of this word? Tell me. Had. She is telling had. See, what is the effect of the phonic sound? That this little students can easily pronunciate the word when we write the combined form. Okay, now one more. What is the sound of this word? Tell me. What is the sound of this word? This letter, sorry. T. And what is the sound of these two letters? What will be the sound of this one? Tad. She is telling tad. So thank you friends. This much for CVC words.